My learner asked me this today: why does my car suddenly change the speed limit on the display? I'm Paul. I help learner drivers become safe, confident, and independent. It's a great question, and the simple answer is sometimes your car just gets it wrong. Most modern cars have cameras that read speed signs, and some use telematic data from within the car itself. The problem is that some cameras can pick up speed limit signs from side roads and think that it applies to you, and this is why the speed limit on your dashboard may change suddenly. Always drive to the speed limit on the road on the signs that you can see on the road and not what you can see on your dashboard, or your sat nav for that matter. Your car's technology is a great backup, but always use your observations instead. Got a driving question you've always wondered about? Leave it in the comments, and you never know, it might be my next video.